I saw that you were scheduled for just a trim, so talk to me. What's going on?
I haven't cut it in a while, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, because it was cut uneven last time, so they chopped off a lot more than I wanted.
Okay.
So I just want to take off all the deads, and then I'll probably come back for a shape.
Got you.
I also know that there's more hair on one side than the other.
More density?
Yeah.
So what I'm also seeing too is you got different lengths going on.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Is it cool if I match up those lengths? Would you be okay with that? Okay,
Yeah.
because that means like removing just a little bit more, maybe like one finger's worth more than on this side. Cool with that?
Yeah.
All right. So as far as face framing goes, where do you typically like the shortest front layer to fall?
Probably like right here. Like not too short, but...
Like not to the chin, but almost.
Yeah.
Like kind of close.
So we're like, if I put it up, I can have some out, but it doesn't look too long.
Let's get started. I'm excited.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah. This is your hair saying, please trim me.
Yeah.
I'm also seeing too is you got different lengths going on.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Is it cool if I match up those lengths? Would you be okay with that? Okay,
Yeah.
let's get started. I'm excited.
Yes.
When was your last haircut?
Probably a year ago at this point.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I found this guy, and he just cut it wet. But there was a few times where he had cut it uneven, but I thought it was just because my hair was curlier on one side than the other. I don't know. I was like, I don't know about hair.
So this is your first dry cut then?
Yeah, it's my first dry cut.
I mean, we did notice that your hair is two different lengths right now. Your left side's a little bit longer, and that could totally be from the wet cuts that you got, right? So if your curl pattern here is tighter, it's going to shrink up a little bit more. So when it's wet, it'll look even, but then in its natural state, it'll spring up, you know?
Yeah.
Especially since you also mentioned that you have different densities on each side too.
Yeah.
So like the way those curls just naturally clump together, they could just be tighter.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense.
With dry cuts, no surprises. That's why we cut it dry, because it's like, this is how you live. I'm going to cut to here. That'll make sure that everything's even, and I'll get to the ends right here.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yes.
All right.
It's kind of hard to find people who cut curly hair.
There actually is a website you can go to called Curl Maps, and you'll be able to find curly hair specialists in your area. Like our stylists are on there. So that's something that you could even tell your friends who do have textured hair and they're looking for someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can let them know about Curl Maps because there's tons of like registered curly specialists in the area.
Yeah.
Go on Curl Maps, type in the zip code, and you'll be able to find anyone registered.
Nice. Curl maps.
Keeping up with your trims with someone who knows what they're doing, right?
Yeah.
That way your hair can like get to where you want it to be, for sure.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, this is your hair saying, please trim me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm happy that you found us, for sure.
Yeah. Same.
Look good.
It's like,
Yeah.
I know. It's bigger now.
Oh yeah.
I love it.
Switch your hair over to this side, right? That gives you a good amount of volume up top.
I look like a new person. I feel like my hair looks completely different from when I walked in. I love it.
Awesome.